Look and behold my minimalist EDC. Well, at least it looks like minimalist. This is my phone, but I have another phone as well, which I'm using to film this. So in my new job, unfortunately have two phones now. So I need to take care of the second phone. It was summer, and yeah, I forgot to put down my watch. It was summer, and I had no pocket, so I had to use this pouch here, and you saw it already. It's my EDC pouch. Have a bunch of stuff, everything that could go into pockets, like keys, car keys, whatnot, Piaget, a little pocket watch because I like watches, and you saw, yeah, have some stuff like power bank and Nix and X. Anyways, I have this usually. Now it's winter, so I don't wear it that much anymore. But yeah, I gone minimalistic as far as I can. So the phone is my right front pocket. No, front left pocket. Sorry, guys. Ever since I got my first phone, it's my front left pocket and stayed the same. My watch is on my left wrist. I'm wearing a breguet because I wore the metal bracelet all summer. It was too hot for leather bands, and now I'm coordinating. This is my Type 21 breguet, and I have a new wallet. This is a wallet. It's from Coach. I like the color. I like this here red orange look inside, and it has a nifty feature. It has a money clip here, which I like actually, and this helped me reduce the bulk in my pockets in my jeans, and I like the reduced bulk. But I'm thinking, actually I've been wearing this for a month since my last EDC update, and I've been thinking about going back to my old wallet because I like to have coins and all sorts of. I like cash. That's it. So you can only wear a certain amount of cash in here, but yeah, I like it. It's very nice. I like the color. It's my favorite. And my Swiss Army knife, trusty old vintage Swiss Army knife. And I was actually embarrassed. My coworker said, if only I had a knife to cut something. And I pulled this guy, and it was not sharp enough. And I told her it's always sharp at this time, and she said, don't worry, it happens occasionally to everyone. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, that's it. This is my minimalist EDC, as minimal as I went all summer, because I like being minimalistic with my EDC. I also like to color match. I have shoes and boots and belts of the same color. I kind of like it, and this one actually matches with this here leather, and it's very cool. If you take out the phones and this from the equation, this is my minimalistic EDC, and I think I like it a lot, except I like to have some gear, so I need to resharpen this blade so it doesn't embarrass me again. The wallet, I like the color, I like the convenience, just slip on in the pocket, no bulge, and yeah, and watch. Was actually thinking of upgrading this one, or downgrading, whatever you look at it. I had a nice digest in the play, so in order to get a digest, because foolishly, how I came to this brigade, I had a nice vintage digest and I had to get rid of it. So now, yeah. I don't want to get rid of my Breguet because I'm a Breguet man. I even have a little nod, homage to Breguet, a little tattoo. And yeah, I like Breguet, but I would like to get my Datejust back. So fortunately, the guy didn't want the Breguet in a trade because he already owns one. And I said I'm just gonna keep it and forget about the Datejust maybe next time. Anyways, you are here to watch EDC, not that. I have some cool gadgets in my here pouch. If you have some time, I can show you. Yeah, I have this because I like to occasionally buy a watch here and there. I have a mouth, what do you call it? Mouth spray. It's kind of cool. I grew up watching American movies. I have a lighter for the hunters. I don't know what this. It's a cool idea. I haven't smoked the entire summer, and it actually feels great, but I occasionally do miss the smoke. Need to get me some cigarillos. I have this power bank. I have a bandana here. I have even a little perfume sample bottle I got when I was buying something. This is a Gizada, and I love it. It's winter fragrance though, but I love it. It smells nice. I just threw it away. I was buying something for my wife, and a nice lady gave me some samples. I like that. Who doesn't like free stuff? Yeah. And yeah, let's see, what else do I have here? Yeah, cool. So flashlight. Always I need to have a flashlight. Flashlight is not in my pockets, but it's with me. And I even have this. I never use it, but I have it. Don't know why. I need to get rid of it. And I have this guy here in my belt. I have here everything but the kitchen sink inside. And this is a vintage. I forgot the proper name for it, but yeah, I like this thing to have. This is my favorite thing to hear because I like to inspect watch dials and stuff and movements when I buy it. And you here have from your screwdriver and the other bits. And I should have a Leatherman in here somewhere. My trusty old Leatherman. I don't know where is it, but it's usually around here somewhere with me. Yeah, here we go. I have it in my bag. I love this thing. Whoever sees this, it doesn't matter if they're male or female, EDC community or not. Most of them are not EDC community. When they see this, they are very, very impressed with this guy here. And today in Temu world of everything disposable crap, I just enjoy having this Leatherman with its the warranty is probably long gone, but to have something, I think Leatherman warranty is 25 years, is very impressive. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. That was my EDC. I'm EDC Gunner, and see you guys.